Hey guys, we received this Everki Studio Slim Business Professional backpack for test and try. So this one is a laptop bag for anyone to use, and it's a work laptop backpack. So let me just open it. So just taking out all these things, and you can see a really nice, comfortable bag with a small size. Let me just take out all this packing and the stuff so I can show it to you. So now you can see a really nice slim bag that you can use for a 15-inch laptop or so. Very nice cushionable thing that you can put in a charger or the small stuff. And also there's a zipper here that you can use for the mesh things you can see, and then cables and every stuff in here. As you can see for the mobile, there's a different pocket and then the cables and other things. So the main pocket for your laptop, you can see very cushionable and the form brackets to make it secure thing for your laptop. You can easily put in your 15-inch laptop in here, so size is sufficient, and then also put in the stuff like your files or your papers. From the back, it have this cushionable thing, small for the keys and stuff, small pocket, and also like the cushionable things to put in your luggage. So you can just put it directly in your luggage. So it's really easy to carry. And then with this side pocket for the water bottle or stuff or your coffee mug, you can use the adjustable zip. So both sides have this water bottle thing. So you can easily put in your laptop. As you can see it here, very comfortable and secure. You can put in the all other stuff. The straps are really comfortable as I can feel, and they are adjustable straps as well. So you can see it fits really well, and there's a handle on the top as well that you can easily carry. You can also put it in the back of the luggage, and then the zipper side. So is a overall it's a really nice bag laptop. Straps are also comfortable as you can see with the cushions.